Hey guys, Jules Kane here, back again with another piano tutorial. This time we're going to go over Jesus Will by Anita Wilson. It's going to be in the key of E flat. And on the vamp, we're going to modulate up 3 times from E, F, and into an F sharp. Okay, let's start off with the intro and the first couple of verses. So. We'll start off doing this multiple times. It's like just going up, G, A flat. And on the left hand. Okay, so. Then we're going to go down in 7th chords. So we're going to go from E flat 7, D7, D flat 7 to a C7. You can add the flat 9 in there also. Then verse starts. Who opens doors that I could not see? Jesus will. Jesus will. Okay, so I'm going to start on the C7 flat 9 to an F minor 9. Who opens doors? Then I can play this B flat 13. Then to this B flat 7 flat 9 to a nice E flat major 9. A D flat 9 sharp 11 is the next chord. Then your C7 flat 9. Then you're going to make this F run. To a B flat 9 sus4, B flat 11. And back to that E flat major 9. Okay, so that run, F, G, A flat, A, C, D, C. Do it again. And end on C, and then go to that B flat chord. Jesus will. Okay, then you can add some extra licks here. Open doors. Jesus will. Okay, let's go to the B section. So, when I'm in trouble, I'm gonna play a D minor 7. When I'm in trouble, to a G7 sharp 5. You can even put the flat 9 in there, sharp 9. He gives a song. So you're gonna be playing this C minor 7 or C minor 9 and C minor 7 in your left hand. Okay. Then A7 sharp 9 sharp 5. Play it again. It's a little diminished run there. Could do wrong, Jesus did. Jesus. Okay, so let me break that down again. So after here, okay. diminished 7. To E flat over B flat. Now E flat 9, D9, D flat 9, C7 flat 9. Then that's the whole song. Now we're going to go to the vamp. Okay, again. So after you've done that, Jesus will. Jesus will. E flat over G, A flat 7, A diminished 7. Now you're going to go to a B flat 7, sharp 9, sharp 5. Okay, now we're going to go to the vamp. So. So you're going to start off on E flat over G to A flat 7 to an A diminished 7 to a B flat 7 sharp 9 sharp 5 to E flat to A diminished to E flat over B flat, and then you can play around with some E flat minor pentatonic, or you can also do the E flat blues. Okay, then the section I Know He Will. Then when you're breaking out, you're going to go down in 9th chords and then to a C7 flat 9. I know that He will. Jesus will. Now watch this. We're going to change keys and do the same vamp in E. So we're going to go to E flat. So you're E flat over G, A flat 7, A diminished. Then we're going to go to the 5. We're going to go to the 5 of E, and then we're going to go to E. So E, B flat diminished to E over B. And then after you're done with E, you're going to go to E9. Then you're going to go down in those 9th chords. I know that He will. To the 5 of E, which is a B9 sus4. And then you're going to go to E. Then we're going to change keys again. Then we're going to go to F. Same pattern. F, B diminished 7, F over C, so 1 over 5. Then you go down in those 7s, same pattern. To the 5 of F, to F. Okay, so then we're going to leave the key of F and then go to the final key of F sharp for the vamp. So. Okay, we're going to go. D flat 7, sharp 9, sharp 5. Then we're going to be in F sharp. So that's the 5 of F sharp. Now. I know that he will. There's a little vamp at the end. I know that he will. A flat minor. He will. Jesus will. Okay, and then the song ends with a little tag at the end. It says, for I know Jesus will. It's just going from a F9 sus4, Jesus will, to an F sharp 9. Again, F sharp 9 sus4. All right, that was Jesus Will by Anita Wilson. Hey, thank you guys so much, and I will be back with some more tutorials very soon. Take care.